How to create HeyGen avatars. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create your own amazing HeyGen avatars and utilize the power of these amazing avatars. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to show you guys one of the avatars that is present on HeyGen and how you can create your own videos with their avatars. And then we're going to see how we can customize these avatars as well. Starting off, this particular avatar has multiple different settings. So we have Scarlet, Fireplace, Hall Front, Hall Side, Yoga Instructor or Yoga Side, Couch Side, Yoga Front, Fireplace Front, Couch Front, Couch Front. So we have multiple different variations for this particular avatar, which I really do like because this is going to allow you to create different types of content using the same face. Now, once you've chosen the type or, the particular style, you can proceed with adding your script. Now, the best part about using a platform like HeyGen is that it allows you to create your script with AI as well. So if you want, you can even use their AI tool to create your script, and you can even add your own audio. So if you want a certain aesthetic, a certain vibe in fluctuations or emotion in your audio, you can record your audio yourself and then have that be mirrored within the AI's audio. So I'm going to record a small audio clip that I'm going to be using for this AI tool. And I'm just going to click on record, choose my microphone like so, and then I'm going to proceed. I loved coming to the Logitech spa. Here, their services are amazing and I feel at rest. Finally, a day off just to myself. I couldn't be happier. Once I do this, I have two options. I can directly add my own audio by clicking on Add Audio, or I can also choose voice mirroring. Voice mirroring allows you to take your audio and the way that you have described your audio and then have that be added to the actual AI voice. So the way you speak is going to be replicated by the AI. You can click on Add Audio over here for the audio to be added. It's going to take a couple of seconds to actually process the audio, depending on how long your audio clip is. Now from here, you guys can see it is transcribing, and I can listen to what it sounds like. So it sounds really nice. It sounds really amazing. And then I can preview what it's going to look like. Now from here, you guys will see that the mouth is going to be filtered because until you generate the video, you're not able to preview it. Now I'm going to add my second scene. And this is what I really like about these avatars is that they have multiple different looks. So within my second scene, I want to add something different. I'm going to add this over here, and then I'm going to remove the background. Once I remove the background, I'm going to place my AI avatar towards the right, and I want to add some B-roll. I'm going to go into media, go into videos, and then search for spa. And I'm just going to search for a standard spa video, like so. Once I have this video and I think it looks decent, I'm going to set this as the background. I'm going to place my AI person over here just to see what it looks like. And I'm just going to preview this. Now I'm going to add a transcript for this as well. So again, you can type this out or you can speak it out. This is up to personal preference. I'm just going to record it for a quick and easy completion. So we're just going to select our mic. I love their facials, and their Jasmine Spa facial has to be one of the best. And hydrofacials also help in refreshing your skin and clearing out your pores. Here, I'm getting the Spa Special Facial, which helped me in calming down all of my nerves and bringing my skin its natural glow. Once I've recorded this, again, I'm going to be using voice mirroring so it reflects or takes notes from the way that I'm speaking. And then I'm just going to add this audio. Again, I'm going to wait a couple of seconds for it to transcribe the entire audio. And just like that, your AI video is going to be ready. So right now it is transcribing. So it sounds really nice. And once I am satisfied with the way that this looks, I can just preview it one last time by clicking on the top right, like so. So it sounds really nice. It looks really nice. And now I can just click on generate to complete my video generation. Now in this way, you can create multiple different types of AI avatar videos. But if you're looking for a more customized AI avatar, then you can even build your own AI avatar. And this can be done in the form of a video or can be done with just a couple of images. So for that, just go into avatars on the bottom left, then click on create new avatar. Now you can upload a video of yourself to create your first look as an AI avatar, or you can start with a photo as well. You can choose to upload your own photos or choose to let the AI create the photo for you. So I'm going to be using this image. I think I want to be using this image over here, and then you can click on upload. Once you do that, you can choose how you want this AI avatar to look, and it's better to upload multiple different photos, but I'm just going to continue with this one. I'm going to just enter the name, ethnicity, and then we're just going to click on continue over here. And keep in mind that if you are using your own video or your own photo, it does ask you to provide consent and you will have to use consent video. So I'm going to let it choose a voice for me, and then I can click on generate looks to proceed with creating looks. Now you do need to upload 9 more photos for the best results, and you can click on train model to proceed with training models. However, if you're building this type of customized AI model or customized AI avatar, you do need to have a premium or a team plan within HeyGen. And you can even build a video model with the help of that, but you do need to have a premium plan for the photo version, and the video version needs to be hyper realistic, so for that, high quality videos are required. However, if you're someone that is only looking to build AI avatar videos and you are going to easily be able to find the look that you're trying for, because they have so many different looks available. So you can filter out the type of person you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for someone that's white, middle-aged woman, and I want to build something like office SOPs or best practices. So I can choose whatever I want, click on done, like so, and I would be able to find the best public avatar. And there is such a nice variety of avatars that you're truly not going to ever feel the need for, something that is lacking, because they do have a lot of different options. But being able to create something like a mascot is amazing and can be something that is super helpful. Not only are they able to create these amazing avatars, but you can even use the brand kit feature to upload your own brand, as well as add your own AI voices. And they even have video podcasting, interactive avatars, and instant highlight features to further boost your video production. All of this is available in the free plan with 3 videos per month, and your videos can be upwards of 3 minutes long. The creator plan is $29 a month with unlimited videos and videos up to 30 minutes with 1080p exports. The team plan is $39 with 4K exports, which I personally think is great value because no other competitor is going to provide you pricing like HeyGen. It probably has one of the most competitive pricing out there in comparison to the amazing features that it has. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.